Welcome to the channel. I'm Stacy, and my goal here is to help you to play better and sound better in your worship services. Today we're going to go over the tones for the song Sevens by Brandon Lake. This one uses a fuzz or distortion, a pitch effect, and a warble effect. And since I don't love the sound of pitch after drives, and since as the recording of that cover video, I didn't have anything to cover fuzz or distortion, I ran with a loaded HX Stomp preset with a little bit of tap dancing. This one has a pretty clean tone with a bit of chime, and I initially tried the SX30, but with my limited blocks that I had on the Stomp, I only have 8. I ended up going with the Cali Texas Channel 1 because it has the chime I needed, but it also has quite a bit more mid presence. And with the effects I needed to include on this preset, I had to remove the simple EQ to bump that holy mid-range. And so that amp, when you max out that mid-range, you can get some of that back. The bass tone on this one has a bit of growl, but plays real clean just depending on your pick attack. The signal chain for the HX Stomp is the deluxe comp into the simple pitch, just set it an octave up. And then we have the harmonic tremolo for our warble effect. You might also be able to use a vibe or something along those lines, but the harmonic trem had the kind of swirl that I was hearing on the track, so I went with that. And then I have the ratatouille cranked to 10 on the drive, so it's got more of a fuzz tone. And then we're going into the Cali Texas Channel 1, and then with DSP limitations, we've only got a single 1x12 Cali 4 cab, and I have it mic'd up with the 57 dynamic. And then we have a stereo Elephant Man delay and the dynamic plate reverb. The signal chain for the Helix preset is similar with the deluxe comp into the simple pitch, into the harmonic tremolo, into the rat. Then we're going into the volume pedal and splitting into 2 Cali Texas Channel 1s, each with their own cab. And I've got one mic'd up with the 57 dynamic and one with the 7 dynamic. And then we're going in stereo into the Elephant Man delay, the dynamic plate reverb, and the simple EQ to bump that holy mid-range. The snapshots are set up with SS1 covering the intro and interludes, SS2 covers the verses, and SS3 covers the chorus. On the HX Stomp, I have foot switch 1 set up on the simple pitch and foot switch 2 on the rat. That way you can kick those on and off as you need them throughout the song. For the Helix, the snapshots are all set up. We have SS1, SS2, SS2 plus distortion, SS3, and then SS3 plus distortion. All the effects are also set up on foot switches if you wanted to go to stomp box mode and just adjust how your snapshots are set up to your preference. You're able to do that. I'll be running through the preset on the Helix, and I'll be using the Les Paul, the Gretsch, and the Strat. All right, let's hear it. recording this cover video, I knew I needed a Rat, and so I picked up a cheap clone to fill the gap until I'm able to pick up something like an ROUS by Petty John Electronics. They make phenomenal pedals, but on this one, the tip of the hat to the Princess Bride is what's got me sold. Is there an effect in the HX world that has compelled you to buy a pedal? Let us know in the comments. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, subscribe and hit that like button for good measure. If you'd like the resources for this song, you can find them at a link in the description box below. There are a handful of downloads free for you in there as well. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you in the next one.